Unit conversion, an introduction. This is going to help you do your homework. How many centimeter cube are there in 3 liters? This is a question we are going to address now. It's always about finding the right connection between the units. Here we're talking about centimeter cubed and liters. The pathway is not always direct. We may not know a direct connection between centimeter cubed and liters, but there may be a series of steps by which you can get there. There are 2 pieces of information we know. 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter, and 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So there seems to be some kind of pathway from liters to centimeter cubed through the milliliters. It is important that you identify these pieces of information in every problem so that you can create a sequence. Sometimes all of you may not find the same sequence because you may know different sets of relationship, but they all may be valid. And they may include more steps than the other. Try not to memorize all the possible conversions. There are some standard ones which you can understand, like milliliters to liters. That's like, you know that a milli means 1000th. So from that, some of those things are easy based on their prefix. But 1 centimeter cubed to 1 milliliter may be something what you need to know. Note, when we complete the calculations, we must not have the original unit, and only the new unit must remain. This has to be done through simple concepts of algebra. It's not like a magic. It's just simple concepts of algebra. Some call this process as dimensional analysis, though I don't agree with it because it is not strict physics parlance to call this as dimensional analysis. We just call it as unit conversion. How do we do it? No surprise, I'm not going to give you an answer as usual, but I am going to ask a series of questions that may help you. Now, complete the following boxes, remembering the strict rules of algebra. Note that in each box will have some number attached to a unit, so that the result is a number attached to milliliters. Remember, algebraically, the liters must cancel off. Now take the result and then multiply by another similar ratio, which has a number attached to a unit both in the numerator and denominator, to get finally a number attached to centimeter cubed. Voila! The unit have transformed. Now you are ready to try your homework. You can check your answer in the internet, but you cannot go far without mastering this process. Anyhow, we will discuss your responses in the next class.